Bah Vincent H Pala, President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, ryngkat Dr A Chella Kumar pyrman ke Seng Congress na ke bynta ke Meghalaya, ke pynpaw ke jingkyrmen baskhem baka Congress kan sabat ya ke jingsynsar ha ke Khasi bat Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Kini nongialam ke Congress ke pynpaw ya ke jingkyrmen ha ke jingialang pynithuh khmat ya ke kyrtong jong ha ke tarik ha Congress Bhavan Shillong. Syaki paidbah nongthep vote jong kini ki artylli ke District Council. Haduh menta ke Congress ke ledep penbena arpunyawut ki kyrtong ban ye kun ke election MDC syaka ying dorbar ke HEDC bat khat riungut syaka ying dorbar GHEDC. Bah Vincent uloong bakiway pat kiseng ke lepin ishay bekimla bat kim don bor ban Synshar ke HEDC bat GHEDC haduh bekut ke samoy sansnem. Uloong baditang ke Congress ke Seng bala rimtam hakari ke badon ke bor kamany bat kinoilam ke babiang ban Synshar na ke benta ke jingbet jingbiang jeng ki paidbah ke Jylla. Ulai thu ba ke MPCC kawan ra khmat ki paidbah ki kerteng bat ki dur ki dar jeng ki kertong ke ban kun ha ke election MDC syaka ying dor par ke HEDC bat GHEDC. Hapadeng kini ki kertong ki don ki bala long teng ki MDC bat ki don ru ki kerteng bat ki kertong bathamai uloong.
Yes. So first of all, if you can tell us about how do you see Congress in Meghalaya? Is it growing? How do you find it?
It is very fast growing actually. See, a lot of people wants to join with the Congress party. Already they have joined and many more people are this in queue to join the Congress. We will admit one by one. You will come to know in the course of time.
Sir, we have seen that recent years Congress has to face a lot of debacles. Do you think that Congress can revive back? And district council poll is definitely a crucial one.
Yeah, we will revive the Congress party. This district council election, we will definitely form the council.
And sir, Congress image has already gone down because of supporting NPP in district council. Do you think that that will affect Congress, or how Congress is planning? What is the strategy?
No, that's what I have explained to the meeting also to the candidates. See, we have joined along with the NPP in the district council to ensure and strengthen the sixth schedule. See, Congress is not in the sharing the power in Delhi now today, but NPP in the last 10 years they are sharing the power in Delhi, but they could not able to include the language in the 8th schedule till today. But when the Congress has joined hands with the district council, we could empower the women and the youths. So this is the difference between the Congress and the other political parties.
So lots has been said.
One, what we say, the State Finance Commission will give the recommendation to the Union Finance Commission as per recommendation of this council. As per recommendation of this council. That means the State Finance has no independence. It has to recommend as per our recommendation. Then we are benefit. If we don't use the word as per our recommendation, then they may recommend 1 crore. Then once we add the as per recommendation, it will be benefit for the district council. Number 2, nominate MDC. They say that nominate 4 MDC, including that one representative. We say no, only 2 MDC, 1 woman. That also the governor will nominate on the recommendation of this council. He is not free to nominate whom he wants because he wants to empower us. Empower us. So we told in the community, when you empower us, no governor cannot nominate MDC unless we recommend. That also will be good for us. Finance also without our recommendation, good for us. Article 280 also we already discussed. It is the thinking of the Congress government UPA during that time. So see, our intention to work to achieve this goal. We achieved the women organization, second time. We achieved the youth organization. I am the deputy in the CM in charge law. All the bill, I think you all know, from which department we initiate all this bill. So we did it. Clan organization, we did it. Yes, because of the pressure of the people, of our party workers. we have to withdraw because we are not mighty than them. So I think UDP and NP working good maybe.
Khasi no parang na. You don't will give both khasi rungin ahi parang rung ahi don kampan kerki ba benar.
Because we don't understand Khasi.
Totong ile aku dong isdang suara khasi, mo. Boro-boro isdang ba parang tementang isdang khasi. Tong sa khasi ta. Ta no kong le shop ni pynpaw ke jing songo ipi ba pilayawan hang ni. Ni panma bro bangi la kham man slam na mar ka meeting pesno thoi. Ki candidate ni bon ki wan mene ti la ai ki kum ke jing pynithuh ke jing sandur bat ha jo ko poro bengi ai ro ki training in the sense ba ke ki issue bengi de ban sim na mata kane ka election ha konu kor kompide ban kren but hanu kor kom ban manage ki election ki committee ke prepare the form ha konu ai information yingi khanang bengi la ban coordinate na kaliang jong ka state ka district bat ki block ki prepare te kaliang jong i Haduh menin ngila declare ki candidate kumba Saupo are would ki candidate almost 75% na ki jinon kam ngila ai ka first list second list but ka third list ngin sepej na marki don ki area ba ngibon ki candidate ni hap persang ban menra consensus te ki don ki area ro ci artylli ki sit ba ngi empat biang ki candidate ki block ki dang panpor te ngidang up kita ro kata kadau ba kumbalong mentang ngila ai na Kyrmen kan election mentang kan long ka jingkyrku ya ka Congress ro namar ba kade kawe ne kilat hadin bala pet ki MLA la pet ki nongkit kam jongi ngila rebuild biang ya ka party ngila bancit ya ki candidate ke mix ki barim ki don ki batmai ki don ki samla ki don ki ba experience ki don te kane ka tim ga jongi mentang apa ngipej wan po press rumah ki don hi nang tak engineer no kidon hi ki doctors ngidon ki MBA ngidon hi teng i bakan biang tegade ro kapor bang ngidang sudap ya ka election ka enrollment jong ki youth congress tengah try ba ka jingtre sistem kan kam isngain kan kam ipo namata kan election ka banwan na pynpaw ke jing songo ya ka jingtre sistem jong i ba pansngain kaliang jong i ki bobon ila isim benta ila betai ro ila training ro ki bobon mata ka discouncil la dewi veteran po this council kumjo rui ba manual bala ai training keleng kelali Jaintia hills kelali Karo hills keleng ban ai training ye ki samla ki jongi te ni welcome mi kanu ka jingkeli jongpi tang bala keli mono wat repeat ke jingkeli min